In this video, I'll show you how you can make money by watching videos online. All we have to do is go to this website and scroll down, find a clip that you like. You can then right click on that and then go to copy link address. Then head over to this website, which is going to make us money, and simply paste in your link and then click shorten. Now we've got our money making link and we can start to make money and get paid out into PayPal, Paytm or bank transfer, just like all of these people here. Make sure you stick with me for this one because this one is going to be valuable. And if you do want to make money by watching videos, then this method is perfect. So step number one, the first thing you need to do is go to Google and just type in Twitch. Go ahead and head over to twitch.tv. Now you might be thinking, well, why are we going to twitch.tv? Twitch is about live streaming and we are trying to make money by watching videos. On Twitch, what I want you to do is go to search and you need to go ahead and search for Fortnite. Now Fortnite is one of the biggest games out there right now. They've just had a new season. A lot of people are streaming Fortnite and there are a lot of clips that we can watch and make money with. So go ahead and search for Fortnite and then you just want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on Fortnite here as the category. And then you see live channels, videos and clips. Go ahead and click on clips. So now we've got clips of Fortnite. So we can scroll down here and here they are. Now you've got these clips which have got views themselves. So you've got 86,000 views, 7.5k, 4.7k, and these are all short clips under 40 seconds or under a minute. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to watch these clips and essentially get paid to do so. So we can watch any clip and we'll just watch this one for an example. WTF did he just do? So it's a funny clip of someone in Fortnite. You can see the streamer is shaking his head. This is a clip that we're going to make money with. So go back to this page, go ahead and right click on the clip and then go ahead and copy that link address. Now with this, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and upload it to TikTok. So go ahead and go to Google and just do a search for TikTok. And then go ahead and open up TikTok here. And once you've got TikTok open, you want to do a search for Fortnite. Now, once you've searched for Fortnite here, you should see different accounts. If you go to the accounts tab of people who have got Fortnite TikToks, and you can see I'm going to open some of these in a new tab and we'll just try and check some of these out. Now, a lot of these Fortnite channels have clips from streams and they have different Fortnite moments. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload the same videos that we've watched on Twitch and upload them to our TikTok profile. So here's another one. You can see they have more TikTok clips with 1.5 million views and so on. You can see there's one channel here that I found with literally 4 clips on it. One of them has 12,000 views, one of them has 7,000, 13,000 and one has 11,000. So there's a lot of ways that you can get views on TikTok and a lot of ways that you can make money just by watching TikTok videos. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our Twitch and we're going to find that clip and we're going to right click on it and then go ahead and copy link address. Now we can open up a new window and you want to type in Twitch downloader and then go to this one here on twitch.com. Once you're here, you want to simply paste in your Twitch link and click submit. And now you'll be able to download this stream highlight clip in 1080p, so click on that. And now we've got that clip downloaded, which we can go ahead and upload to TikTok. Now what we're going to do, we're going to upload our clip to our TikTok page and start to monetize all of the videos that we upload. So you can see here, we're going to model this channel. This channel uploads highlights and clips from Twitch. And some of these get really good views. And they've only uploaded 4 videos and they've amassed probably around 50,000 views, 40,000 views. These can all be monetized and you can make decent money from this all by uploading and watching other people's clips. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and create a TikTok account. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video, but you will go to TikTok and you will create it. You will then create a Fortnite TikTok and you would simply go to Twitch and simply download other people's clips on Fortnite. So you've got all of these clips here for you, which have already been cut to the right size. And these are all going to be funny clips on Fortnite. So what we're going to do, we're going to download a bunch of these and upload them to our Instagram profile. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go to this website here. So this website can make us money by shortening URLs. So if we shorten a URL, people will then click on it and we can earn money when they do so. So you can see we can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. So if you've got 50,000 views on TikTok, you only need 1/5 of them to click on it and you'll earn $220. The way this works, you can shorten any URL and when people click on it, you'll get paid. Now the URL that we're going to shorten is going to be a YouTube video. So you want to type in on YouTube how to get better at Fortnite, and I'm going to choose this one here, how to actually get better at Fortnite. We're going to go ahead and click on that video. We're going to just pause it, and I'm just going to copy the URL, which we can then go to shrink me and then paste in here. Then we can click on go, and we've now got a shortened URL which we can then copy and make money from. If we go to the payout rates, you can see here that the minimum payout is $5. They pay daily, and you can get paid out in Bitcoin, PayPal, and all of these here. If we scroll down here, you can see that from Greenland, you can earn $22 per 1,000 views. If you get people to click on it from Belgium or Ireland, it's $16 or $7.50, and the rest of the world is $3.50 here. So depending on where people click from, it's going to depend on how much money you make, and we're going to get thousands of people to click on this per day. So we've got a shortened link. We now simply need to go ahead and upload our clips to TikTok, our Fortnite clips that we've watched on Twitch, and then in our bio, we can put learn how to get better at Fortnite. That link will then take them to this video here, which will teach them how they can get better at Fortnite. Now, before they get to this page, they will go through an advertisement and click through it, which will make us money because we're shortening our link with shrinkme.io. I'll just show you here. So if we go ahead and paste in a shortened link and click enter, it will then take us to an advertisement. We have to then complete the CAPTCHA. Then we can click here to continue. Our link will then almost be ready. And then you can see here it takes us to this video, which is loading a bit slow for me, where we can see how we can get better at playing Fortnite. So by doing this method and by watching clips on Twitch and then downloading them and then re-uploading it to our Fortnite TikTok account, we can essentially send thousands of people to our links who want to get better at Fortnite. And you can see some of these have 1.5 million, 442,000. And this channel here with only 4 uploads is doing this exact same method. But they've only uploaded 4 videos and they're getting 11,000, 13,000, 7,000 and 12,000. If you send all of them views to your bio, which will teach people how to get better at Fortnite, which is shortened, which will play an advertisement before, you will earn money every single day from people who click on your link. That's all you need to do, guys. Please do leave a like and make sure you try out this method. Watch these videos here if you want to learn more ways to make money online, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel.